The clock has only just struck midnight for some. Next, the New Year's celebration still underway around the globe. And torrential rain for parts of the southeast today. This is a look at Brisbane right now, where it's 23 degrees. Tony has all the weather details next. In 7 News, flooding emergency, an unexpected New Year deluge on the Gold Coast. Roads cut, drivers rescued, campers stranded and homes inundated. Also tonight, when Australia's Mary will become Danish Queen. And Queensland and the world farewell 2023. 7 News at 6.
Good afternoon, you're watching 7 News. Checking in the weather now, and torrential rain has fallen on parts of the Gold Coast overnight and today, with a significant flood and flash flood risk remaining this afternoon. Currumbin Creek has now picked up over 570 millimetres of rain in the past day. At the moment, rain across the Gold Coast hinterland here. The risk of dangerous flash flooding is most likely between about Coomera and Beaudesert. Rain is also developing on the Sunshine Coast. A severe weather warning is current right across the southeast, mentioning that risk of further flash flooding as we go. Riverine flooding is also a concern, and flood watches are current, extending up towards the Capricornia. Now looking ahead, more rain on the way as humid winds just keep on feeding into an upper trough sitting over southern parts of Queensland. That should start to weaken from late tomorrow. Around the capitals tomorrow, stormy in Canberra, Sydney warms up to 29 degrees and dry tops of 30 for Perth and Adelaide. For northern Queensland, a light shower possible around Cairns, Townsville and Mackay, with the odd storm further inland on the ranges, and a heatwave warning remains current for Cape York Peninsula and the far west. In the south, a flood watch for all of those eastern catchments. Afternoon storms most likely around the Wide Bay and Capricornia, some rain in around Gympie and Maryborough. Now across the southeast, please be careful on the roads. More rain areas, storms bringing those pockets of heavy rain and flash flooding, likely peaking overnight, then easing late tomorrow, but heavy rain is possible at any time. Tops in the mid to high 20s. Sam, things are changing quickly. I'll have all the latest coming up at 6.
Sounds good. Thank you, Tony. Well, fireworks continue to light up skies across the globe as countries welcome 2024. A short time ago, New York City was among the last. Jacqueline Robson takes a look at how the world is celebrating.
Well, one of the world's biggest New Year parties is underway, with people packing into Times Square to welcome in 2024. 1 million people have spent hours waiting for this moment. The ball dropping in front of the largest crowd New York has seen since 2019. Revellers celebrating under a sea of confetti, with messages of hope for the new year written on each piece. Across the globe, skies glittered with light displays. London's Big Ben sounding midnight, as the city's landmarks were shrouded by bursts of colour. In Dubai, a spectacle from the world's tallest building, the Burj Khalifa, beaming from every angle. Hong Kong claiming its largest light show ever. And in Tokyo, lanterns dotted the night sky. No relief for war-torn Gaza. Skyscrapers in Tel Aviv lit up yellow in support of hostages still missing. While in Kenya, celebrations turned to panic after a high-rise caught fire from the light show. Athens ushered in the new year with fireworks flaring over ancient landmarks. Paris partying into 2024, the City of Lights living up to its name. These final countries marking midnight will likely see celebrations carry on for some time yet.
Well, that's Queensland's 4 p.m. news for this Monday. Join us back here for 7 News at 6. I'm Samantha Heathwood. See you tomorrow.